How many of your photos are actually hanging on your wall? And how many are sitting on your computer's hard drive right now? Because here's a really hard truth. If you've never printed your photos, you will never truly know how good they really are. One of the biggest mistakes that I see photographers make is not printing their images. And hey, straight up, I'm not judging anyone because this is something that I'm very guilty of myself. But one of the promises that I have made to myself for this year is I want to start printing more of my work and getting it up on my walls, because seeing your photo printed changes everything. It shows you areas of missed focus, noise you didn't notice, bad editing decisions, and quite honestly, whether or not your image actually holds up when printed at larger sizes. But the problem is simply this. Most photographers, even though they might have the best of intentions to actually print their work, don't, for one reason or another. But it just doesn't happen. And that is truly a shame.
But you're stronger than you know. You'll never be alone when everything feels dark around.
Hey, welcome into the channel. I'm Jeff. This is a place for photographers who want to become better. Photographers that want to learn to create images that are both compelling and more meaningful. Now, we talk really about everything on this channel, from camera techniques to photo editing. And of course, we really take a deeper look behind the ideas of what makes wildlife photography truly powerful. Now, I want to share something with you because recently, Nation's Photolab reached out to me and they offered me a unique opportunity. They reached out and offered me to go onto their site, pick out one of my favorite products, and then make a video based on my experience. Now, before we go another step further, I want to take a second just to be very clear about a few things. One, the print that was provided to me that I chose was complimentary. Two, Nation's Photolab had absolutely no input into the making of this video or what I say in it. They did not direct me in any way, that they did not make any implications of what I should say, nothing along those lines. In fact, they don't even know I'm recording this video right now, and they don't know exactly when it will be published. So everything I say in this video is simply based on my experience with the ordering process to the receipt of my product. And so I really want to cover everything that I experienced with this process from the beginning to the end and just share it with you in case you want to print some of your photos, which again, I can't stress enough, I really hope you do. So with that being said, let's start from the beginning. So because I believe so deeply in how important it is to print your photographs, I decided that I was going to order a print from Nation's Photolab. So I ordered a 24-inch by 30-inch metal print, and on the back I had the float mount hanger installed for obviously hanging the print. Now, one thing that I really love about metal prints is their color reproduction, especially when it comes to wildlife photography, right? Obviously, the colors in wildlife and nature tend to be very rich and beautiful, and the metal print goes a long way at emphasizing those rich, vibrant colors. And I just feel like it really does a good job of bringing your images to life. Now, I selected an image that I recently captured of a wood duck, and it's just one of those images that just resonates with me. Now, aside from the fact that wood ducks are one of my favorite species, I also love the colors in the habitat that were captured in this particular image. One thing that I found to be really simple and I appreciated greatly was the ordering process. It was so simple and straightforward. Now, I have used other professional photo labs in the past, and I got to be honest, there were times when I ordered things that were more simple from an ordering standpoint, but yet the process felt much more confusing. So Nation's Photo Lab is very nice and simple. As I said, very straightforward. You simply create an account, you select the product that you want on their website, and then just click on Customize, and it's going to take you through the customize process step by step. Once you're done customizing it, you save it, add it to your cart, and check out. Let's talk about the shipping and delivery of the product, right? Obviously, you can choose from various shipping methods based on how quickly you want or need the products or product that you ordered. Now, after ordering my print, I received an email about 48 hours later advising the production of my print had been completed and my item was now being shipped. I received my print 4 calendar days later. Now, I say calendar days with a specific purpose because I received my notice that the print was shipping on a Friday. Now, I received it on that following Tuesday, but of course, we've got a couple of weekend days in between there. And we all know that on weekend days in shipping, this can mean that shipping either kind of slows down or comes to a halt. Bottom line, between the printing and shipping of my product, the process was fast. Now, when I received the product, it was packaged really nicely, which is obviously important when we're dealing with things like photo prints or wall hangings that I ordered, because these items tend to be more sensitive. The print itself was protected by various pieces of cardboard and some plastic covering it. Now, I admit I should have taken some photos of this, but it slipped my mind. I was so excited to see the print, so my apologies for that. But rest assured, the product was well protected. And it was covered in plastic, which was taped securely to the cardboard, which of course just prevented the print from sliding all over the place. All of this was placed into another cardboard box that was designed for the shipping process. Again, bottom line, the product was nicely protected from damage and protected for shipping. What about the print itself, right? Let's talk about that because, as I mentioned, the print was complimentary for me, right? But all of their pricing is listed directly on their website. So there's not going to be any surprises there. It's all very clearly marked. Now, if you were to buy the same product that I ordered, this normally would be $246.75. For this size print, that's a really reasonable price. But I will say they always seem to have a lot of different promotions running, so you can usually get it with pretty significant discounts. Now, at the time that I'm filming this video, the current discount is $189.75 for a 24 by 30 inch metal print. Now, if you add the floating mount hanger like I did, the price will increase a little bit to $205.13. But it also states that you can save an additional 35% on the displayed price by using a discount code that they list right there on their website. So the prices are super reasonable. But here's the question. What does that mean when it comes to the overall quality of the product, right? I'm very happy to say, though, that I am extremely satisfied with the quality of the print that I received. The materials feel very good to the hand, and the colors of the print look absolutely fantastic. Now, I have a small studio space here, and it's kind of cramped, and it's really not set up for displaying larger items, but I'm going to hold up the print for you to try to give you some sort of idea of what it looks like. I will also try to, take some photos and some video or something of it hanging on the wall to kind of add into this video to kind of help you. But let me just take a second here to hold up this print. We'll take a look at the front. I'll show you the float hanger on the back so we can kind of get a feel for what this all looks like. So after going through the entire process from choosing the image that I wanted to uploading it and customizing it on Nations Photolab's site, to actually placing my order and holding my print physically in my hands, here is my honest takeaway. The print delivered, not just in terms of quality, but in how closely it matched what I created. The color, the detail, the finish, it's all translated the way that I was hoping it would. And quite honestly, that's what I find that really matters most when it comes to a print. Because at the end of the day, a print isn't just something you hang on your wall, right? It's about trusting that what you created as a photographer is going to show up in the way that you intended. Now, based on my personal experience, I wouldn't hesitate to use Nations Photolab again. And more importantly, I wouldn't hesitate to trust them with the images that matter most to me. In fact, I will be looking to order another print using my own money, as I truly want to get more of the photos that I have created off of my computer. And if you've never printed your photos in a large print, well, I highly encourage you to do so. Go give it a try, because your photos deserve more than just a screen. They deserve to exist in the real world. If you're looking for a powerful photo editor, I highly recommend that you check out DxO Photolab 9. This is the software that I personally use and trust for all of my editing work, especially because of their industry-leading noise reduction and their AI masking tools that just make editing faster, more precise, and more consistent. If you'd like to try it out for yourself, then head down to the show notes. There's a link down there in the description. And if you decide that you want to purchase it, use my code MAGNOLIA at the time of checkout to save 15% off of your order. You can also download their free 30-day trial and test out the entire program with absolutely no restrictions for yourself. And if you really want to learn how to get the most out of Photolab, then you need to check out my DxO Photolab Mastery class. And you can head on over to magnoliaphotographysc.com/store to check it all out. In that course, I walk you through everything from applying noise reduction to applying sharpening, and also going through all of the AI masking tools. This course includes some freebies too, including 15 free raw images for you to practice the techniques that we learn in the course. And you also get my full DxO preset collection for wildlife, portraits, nature, and landscapes. Hey, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I know you have busy lives, and I appreciate you carving out just a little bit of time. But before you go, you might want to think about checking out this next video right here.